Imagine if you could operate on your complex patients 2 days before you actually operate on them and do this virtually, thinking about the cannulation strategies, the graft configurations, various repair geometries, and trying to actually do that before you've actually operated. Well, we actually are simulating this, and the whole idea of when Deep Blue beat Kasparov in chess was all about reinforcement learning. But the moment that was important for me was when Lee Sedol lost to Google's DeepMind, to AlphaGo. And that was move 37. That move 37 with Monte Carlo algorithms, out of 300 years of ancient algorithms that humans know, this algorithm was engineered. It was engineered intuition, which it developed. And that's kind of what sparked us off in 2016 to have our AI lab and actually move from a wet lab to a dry lab. And we can take this into the operating room, and we could actually now predict bleeding risk.